We are here, we are here, we are here. What an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up XRP USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Overall, price action, higher highs, price action, lows, midpoint in the middle. So what did we receive? So market started off on the left side, spiked all the way up to the top, came right back down. We got a second spike up to a high. Market came back down, and market spiked up again to a high, but previous levels of the highest peaks. Dropped back down, spiked up to that high of that area, then dropped back down. So what we see that decline of the market is dropping, not having that chance to break out. The more it pushes on this side here, so that market is working its way down for a downtrend. Also, what we also a pattern that we receive in the structure is the break and retest, which we see that the market pushed up, broke into that area of the midpoint, came back to the midpoint line, pushed up again twice. So we're coming from a double top. Price is coming from a double top. Overall triple top in that area. So market's having a hard time to drop. So we did get the break and retest to the opposite end. Market's like it's working its way down. But we'll see. So market's at an area of a support here and a resistance here. So we're waiting for a breakout to see if that overall pattern is going to be a first leg, second leg, third leg, and push up for that fourth leg. Could be a W. If not, we get that downtrend that it looks like it in on this monthly time frame for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and then market push down for that fourth. And maybe after a retest here. So first, second, third, fourth retest, market drops down, triple top, decline market. So, or we'll just get that consolidation with market went into that range and then just buy and sell, buy and sell. We'll figure it out. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So price action is below the midpoint. Price action is we're looking for price to come back up to this high here. If price breaks down this low here, we're looking for price to come down to the next low of that area. But where the midpoint of that low price is currently at, we can see price came down to it, is respecting, riding that resistance line / support consolidation. And now we're going to see if we're going to get a pattern that's going to push this market up and down. So, but let's see what we can read in that market so far with that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market could be working its way up for a triple bottom. If not, we can see we got that red about to engulf. It could be engulfing that white candle, which should be spike up once, come back down in red, spike up twice, coming back down. So we're coming from that double top area here. If not, we'll get that consolidation. Headed down to the daily. We can clearly see its price coming from that double top area of that high or a single top of the retest. So market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, what was able to drop, came down to an area, could be a retest that could drop that market down further or push up. On the 4 hour, we can see the touches down to the bottom of that price area that created the area of support. Market came from a double top, consolidated, pushed down further, and let's take a look at what do we have. We have first leg coming down, second leg. Market did a double top in this area here, pushed down for that third leg, pushed back up for that fourth, at a retest now to see if that market will get pushed up. So if this market does get pushed up, it will be an overall structure of a double bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg. Market push up for that fourth, get that retest in this area, and the market comes up. If not, And we see being respected by the resistance side. So what's that means? Market pushed up once to this resistance, came back down, pushed up twice, came back down, pushed up a third time, came back down, retesting that area, dropped that market down. 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes down to that market. 4 pushes up to that market of resistance, meaning that the market can't break the roof, so that market's coming down. Okay, if not, last but not least, we'll know we get that consolidation on this time frame as well. So walking down the time frame, let's head down to the 3 hour and let's take a look at what's going on. Okay, 4-3, reading the same. Extended candles, 4-3-2. Extended candles, 4-3-2-1. Extended candles. Patterns are more clear on 1. Extended candles. We've seen that same structure. We're going to stop at the 45. Market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Got a whole bunch of retests in this area, about 3 retests. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that market's in that range. So we're going to get a break up to the break up or break down. Market's at that midpoint currently right now. So we're going to see if that market's going to get respected. We push up of this area of support or break through, retest the bottom and drop down. Headed down to the 30. So we can see markets being respected on that support. Headed down to the 15. Multiple retests, double bottom retest could be pushing up. We see a white candle in the market, which is a bullish candle, could be growing far enough to where it engulfs. We know that market's pushing up. Headed down to the 5. We can see that structure, them patterns in there of that double bottom could be coming out of. If not, the market price is respecting that double top at the high. Retest. You see that like a double top plus 2 double bottom of the retest. So double top, let's say a retest. Market's dropping back down. Could be the head and shoulders pattern in this area here. Headed down to the 3. Now we can see markets pushing up. Got an engulfing pattern that closes out. That market could be pushing up to new highs or previous highs. Headed down to the 1. And we just received multiple retests in that area. So this market's still forming. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, find a pattern, understand when that market is in that area coming down to a low, how many times that it comes down, about 3 times. Head and shoulders pattern, invert it, market pushes right back up. Very important information, guys, break and retest strategy. When the market is at a low, and it's working its way up to a high, and that's on any chart that you see, that's low to a high, market would break the resistance. Once it breaks, we're looking for the market to return to resistance. When this market structure returned twice, it returned once, wasn't a full breakout, came back for a second retry of the retest. The market pushed up. Overall structure, double bottom. See that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed up that fourth. Multiple retests, market's going up. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones FX, Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. And thank you for your attention. XRP, USD.